Today we're going to talk about research. How would you write a reflection paper with five peer-reviewed sources? Five peer-reviewed sources means sources that academics have looked over. It's been kind of like verified, and that can be scary because peer-reviewed sources are normally high quality, so they normally are a challenge to understand. Let's take a look at this. So, this is an assignment in my adult and continuing education class. Notice at the top there, this is a reflection paper. This is not exactly a paper where you have to have a thesis statement and you have to do it a certain way. As a reflection paper, you have some flexibility on what to do. We see here that we do have a cover page and introduction, so there's more structure than some reflection papers. And if you go to four there, we have a brief description of each theory that's got to be included. And I highlighted theories originator and device, and dates. The theories originator and dates because this is got to be included. Again, these are possibilities of what can be included in a reflection paper. So the challenge here, I think, is to use a minimum of five scholarly references for your paper. That is a challenge because this means you can't just go on Google and find these probably you can find a few scholarly references, but your best bet is to go on the library uh, website and click on libraries to find good resources. Let's go to those three tips. Tip number one, find scholarly articles first. How about you just do that and just knock it out right at the beginning? Then you won't have to write a paper and be like, oh, I need one more article. You already have all your articles and have that requirement taken care of. Another tip number two, would be to print out your articles. I know there could be long ones, but it could be kind of difficult to have to sit there and look at a screen to read and then have to write and type out a paper. I have many printouts here of my articles, some 12 pages long, even more right here. But college is going to cost something. So, I mean, I just think it's very helpful. You have them right in your hand and you don't have to continually look at the screen. And also, you can write main ideas and highlight them. The third and final tip that I would like to offer is to make an outline of your paper. Say, okay, introduction here, uh, a topic, maybe the history of something, and then an explanation. So it just helps you because you can know just what goes next and where to start. It's just so much easier than just trying to write and be like, oh, I want to talk about this before it. And so this way you would know what you're going to start typing.